Hi, Intermediate Band. This week you're going to be doing a video submission very similar to the one you did last week, except this week we have changed the time signature. So the only difference between what we did last week and this week is how many beats you're going to find in a measure. So you are going to see the instructions. I will post those to the assignment page. And the only difference is now I'm in 3/4 time, and that time signature is going to continue all the way through. Notice there are actually rests this time. Not entirely sure there were rests last time for you. So I'm only going to demonstrate the first 4 measures of one that I'm looking at, and then you will demonstrate the rhythm of the one that you see in the example. Slight change to your metronome, you're going to put it at 90, not 80. We're going to speed it up just a little bit because I think most of us were comfortable with 80. Might have been a little too slow. So I'm going to start my metronome. Remember, if you don't have an instrument at home, you are counting and clapping these rhythms. If you do have an instrument you choose to play, you're going to play on your concert B flat. So whatever note you start your concert B flat scale on is the note that you are going to play. If you play percussion, you are more than welcome to clap and count, or if you have a set of drumsticks at home, you can play this rhythm on a drum pad or a book or any surface that I can hear clear beats. So I start my metronome, it's at 90. And as I'm looking through this, I'm going to count and clap just the first line. Remember, you will do both lines. Here I go in 1, 2, count and clap. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Remember, when we have a rest, that does not mean that we skip over it. It's still part of the music. We just don't have any sound in that spot. If I play this on my instrument, it's the same exact protocol that I just did, but I'm going to play 1. Ready, here it is. Keeping in mind that the metronome is part of this, so if you don't play this with a metronome, it's going to defeat the purpose of trying to stay in time. Once you are done with your video submission, you send it to me. Remember, I am the only one that's going to see this. No one else is going to see your video, so please make sure that you submit these on time. If you have questions, reach out to me.